Hi guys, I am Zach Attack 0113 and I just made this account and I'm kind of confused on how to start. So my first video, I'm not really gonna do much. What I'm gonna do is, I mean, I can like, I can game or something. So I think I'm gonna game, but I'm gonna game and I'm just gonna real quick I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do with this channel. So what I'm gonna do, I can play guitar, so I'm probably gonna like do some guitar videos, like music videos, and I'm going to do like gaming and stuff, and like maybe um series like kind of like what Skeleton Slasher does, like the Roblox in real life, but I'm not sure. Um, yeah, because I just started, but I mean, let's just game on. Well, I guess we can play Kizzy Moto something. Okay. So, what we's gonna do is gonna make this kinda bigger. Alright. Okay. This is gonna take a second, guys. Sorry. So, to play Moto, you have to go to kizzy.com and enter. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to search. Sorry, you guys can't see this, but above what I'm doing, it says search. So I'm gonna search and do Moto. And here's Moto. I'm gonna do Moto 1. Okay, now I'm gonna adjust this so you guys can see what I'm doing, because it's probably kind of annoying not being able to see. Okay, and oh, stupid annoying sidebar. Don't you hate them, did they? They're so chubby and fat, they just make you like kick off. Alright. What the heck's this? This is bull crap. Wait, no, we're not getting copyrighted. No, not today, kiddies. No, no, no. Just no. No, 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 no. Is the commercial over? Yes, it is. Shut up! Sorry, I have YouTube on, even though I'm making a YouTube video, guys. Alright, I'm just gonna state that I hate James Charles. Okay, yeet. I'm dead. Ow! This guy's on crack or something. He's so like pee die. Oh no. Oh wait, what? Page unresponsive. Well, I'm gonna exit page. Maybe that works. Alright, well, guys, that did not work as I planned, but yeah, you kind of got to see that game. So what can I do? I can grab my guitar and play if you want, but like, I don't know. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna. Why is it so laggy? Wow, just YouTube. Okay. Anyways, what do I do now? I don't know. If this was a live stream, I would know. Okay. Well, oh. Help. Something's grabbing onto my butt. I don't like where your claw is, sir. Ping, ping. Die, what's going on? Okay, sorry about that, guys. What the heck is going on here? What the heck is going on here? Really rad, bro? Oh, no. Not sponsored. I'm not showing them ads. I'm not. I'm not paying a fine, kid. It's so pee pee die. Ooh! I can't see up there. What was up there? A big fat butt? Let's hope not. It'd be stinky. I don't really talk a lot, so whenever I'm doing gaming, I'll probably. Well, I don't talk a lot. Like I do talk a lot, but I don't talk. Cry me. Anyways, I don't really talk a lot whenever. Hi guys, I'm doing a part to this video because the first part didn't really go as planned. I was just gonna say it's just a short video, real quick. I was gonna say that so I started a YouTube channel called Zack Attack 0113. Back me in the butt if I'm wrong. I'm not wrong. Anyways, yeah, I just started this YouTube channel. I wanted to say basically what we're gonna do on it, or like what I'm gonna do on it, because I'm not probably gonna have any help from any friends. Probably just my dad. I'm just gonna like make. I'm gonna make videos on like fat kitties going around the store. Oh, never mind. Sorry. Okay. Anyways, what I'm gonna make videos on is I can play guitar, so I'm probably gonna make videos on guitar or something. So yeah, and gaming. If I can figure out how to fully do that. And puppets. 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 Alright. Well, yeah, that's pretty much the video. Can't really do anything else. Anyways, yeah. Well, like, subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I'll come to your house and kick you in the butt. But anyways, yeah, that's about it. I'll record. Try to record at least every week. Hopefully. God, ping ping. But anyways, yeah. Well, like, subscribe, welcome to your house, and give you a big whoop. Anyways, yeah. Bye, kids. How do you stop this? Oh yeah.